Let us start. Question number 4 for exercise 2.5. See in your textbook, question number 4 is expand. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. See, you have to apply rule, means formula here, identity. See, first we write identity. Question number 4, identity is a plus b plus c the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. See, which sign we have to apply it. So particularly when there will be a negative sign, minus sign, at that time you have to alert. Now first question, x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square, just like this. Okay, first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2a into b x into 2y plus 2b into c 2y into 4z and plus 2c into a. Okay, arrange according to the formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a into b plus 2b into c plus 2c into a. Now open the bracket. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square, right? Now 2 2s are 4xy plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16yz plus 2 4s are 8zx. Simple. Once you know the formula, then it will be easy for you. So write the formula and learn the formula. Second question, 2x minus y plus z the whole square. Again, open the bracket, but with sign, so please be alert, negative is there. First term square plus second term is consider minus y, third term plus 2 first term, second term minus y plus 2 second term and third term plus 2 third term and first term. Now open. Now it will be easy for you. 4x square minus square is always plus, so y square plus z square plus minus 2 2s are 4xy plus minus 2yz plus 2 2s are 4zx. Question number 3, minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. Again, arrange in the form of formula. A square, here a is negative, so minus 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 2z the whole square plus 2 extra first term, second term plus 2 second term, third term plus 2 third term and first term. Open it, see it properly. Minus square 4x square plus 3 3s are 9y square 4z square plus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12yz plus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8zx. Is it okay? Now question number 4, you have to write it, so repeat this video and write it, all this thing, board work. Now question number 4. 3a minus 7b minus c. The whole square. Again, same way, same style, same formula. So first term is 3a the whole square minus 7b the whole square minus c the whole square plus 2 first into second, 3a into minus 7b plus 2 second into third and plus 2 third into first, and then now simply open. 9a square, 7 7s are 49b square, minus square is plus, minus square is plus, plus minus minus, 3 2s are 6, 6 7s are 42ab, minus minus plus, 7 2s are 14bc, plus minus minus, 2 3s are 6ca. 5 number, minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z the whole square. Again, open the bracket. Minus 2x the whole square, 5y the whole square, minus 3z the whole square, plus 2 minus 2x into 5y plus 2 5y into minus 3z plus 2 minus 3z into minus 2x. Whole square, open it. 4x square, 25y square, minus 3 square, 9z square, plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 xy, plus minus minus, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 yz, minus minus plus, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 zx. Is it okay? Sixth number also same as the previous, but fraction is given here. 1 upon 4a minus half b plus 1 the whole square. Okay, don't worry and don't bother about it, though there is a fraction, the formula remains same. Here the first term square, 1 upon 4a the whole square, plus with sign minus 1 upon 2b the whole square, plus 1 square, plus 2a into b, b is negative, plus 2b into c, plus 2c into a. And now slowly open the bracket. 1 square 1, 4 square 16 a square. Square is always positive. 1 square 1, 2 square 4 b square, and 1 square 1. Now see here, plus minus minus. Cancellation is possible. If possible, then cancel it. 2 cancel. You can write 2 2s are. You can. Now plus minus minus, 1 upon 4 1s are 1 upon 4 a into b. Here plus minus minus, 2 to cancel. Now 1 1s are 1 b. Here 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are. So plus 1 1s are 1 upon 2a. Is it okay? Check it properly. This is your question number 4. Okay. Now in question number 5, the reversal situation is given. Means this answer is now your question. You have to bring this one. See, how is it possible? So question number 5. Again the identity remains same, but we write it reversely. So question number 5 is about factorize. The first question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. See, our formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equals to a plus b plus c the whole square. Is it okay? But now please be alert, because square, a square plus b square plus c square, square is always positive. So our first three term remains always positive. So you have to think, or you have to see the last three term always. Out of the last three term, find out the positive term. Is it okay? Always out of the last three term, find out the plus term. Here the plus term is, just a minute. See, here the positive term is plus 12xy. Now see the position of 12xy. Position of 12xy is what? According to our formula, we said a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. This is the position of 2ab. Means we derive a and b from first and second term. Is it okay? So this term is positive. The position of this term is 2ab. Means a and b term should be positive. So c term, in this is square, c term, we take negative. Okay, and vice versa also. You can take this two term negative and this term will be positive. You can take, but generally we take what? Out of the last three term, concentrate or focus on positive term. Find out its position, whether it is AB or BC or CA position, right? Here it is AB position, so A and B we take positive, and the third C term we take negative. Is it okay? So we can simplify like this. We take this two term positive, so this is the square of which term? 2x. This is the square of 3y. Here we take negative term, so 16z square is the square of 4z, but I should write minus 4z the whole square, because minus square is always plus. Now according to our formula, set this plus 2ab, so 2, now this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so I clarify this. Take this is A, this is B, and this is C. So don't think that this is a division. Is it okay? For your concern, for your simplicity, I write this is A term, B term, and C term. So 2AB, 2A into B plus 2B into C, 3y and minus 4z plus 2C into A. And now check it. Okay? See, 2x the whole square means 4x square, 3y the whole square means 9y square, minus 4z the whole square is 16z square, plus 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12xy, plus minus minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24yz, plus minus minus 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16xz. Is it okay? So now our question is set like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So answer will be what? A plus b plus c the whole square. Here A is 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. This is your answer. And suppose if you take it, this term AB is positive, and if you take this two term negative, then your answer changes to minus 2x minus 3y plus 4z the whole square. Sign change only. Both are right answer. Is it okay? Now second, again alert. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. As I told you in the previous sum, number 1, first 3 always positive because they are square. Now focus on last 3 term and find out which one is positive. Okay, so which one is positive out of the last 3? This term is positive. What is the position of this term according to our formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. This is bc. So consider this is A, this is B and this is C. So we take B and C positive term. And first term we consider negative. Is it okay? Now see. This is your A term, B term, C term. Right? So first term we consider negative 2x square. Now 2 is the square of which term? Root 2. But I want to consider negative, so I should write minus root 2x the whole square. Minus square is plus, root 2 square is 2, x square. Okay? Now this term we should take positive, so y square. And 8 is the square of which term? Root 8 z the whole square. You can also write like this because root 8 means what? Root 8 means what? 4 2s are. Square root of 4 is 2 and root 2 as it is. So I should write here instead of root 8, I should write what? 2 root 2 z the whole square. 2 root 2 z the whole square. Is it okay? Now place according to formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2a into b minus root 2x into y plus 2 b into c y into 2 root 2 z plus 2 c into a 2 root 2 z into a minus root 2 x. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Answer is what? A plus b plus c the whole square. So here a plus b plus c the whole square, or your answer may be, if you take this term positive and this 2 term negative, then your answer means sign change, root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2 z the whole square. Is it okay? So do it 1 to 2 times and try to understand it very well. Now question number 6.